Hello guys, my name is Yash. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn about enums in Java. We will learn to create and use enums, enum classes, enum strings and enum constructor with the help of examples. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Also, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe so that you don't miss any updates. In Java, an enum is a type that has fixed set of constant values. We use the enum keyword to declare enums. For example, here we have created an enum named direction. It contains fixed values east, west, north and south. These values inside the braces are called enum constants. In this example, we use the enum name to access the constant values. Also, we can create variables of enum types. For example, here direction point is a variable of the direction type. It can only be assigned with 4 values. In this example, we have created an enum type level. We then declared a variable game level of the level type. Here, the variable game level can only be assigned with 3 values. Notice the statement. It will call the test constructor inside the test class. Now, the variable game level is assigned with the medium constant. Based on the value, one of the cases of the switch case statement is executed. In Java, enum types are considered to be a special type of class. An enum class can include methods and fields just like regular classes. For example, when we create an enum class, the compiler will create instances of each enum constants. Also, all enum constant is always public static final by default. In this example, we have created an enum class direction. It has 4 constants east, west, north and south. Since direction is an enum class, the compiler automatically creates instances for each enum constants. Here inside the main method, we have used the instance west to call the getDirection method. There are some predefined methods in enum classes that are readily available for use. First, Java enum ordinal. The ordinal method returns the position of an enum constant. For example, enum compare to. The compare to method compares the enum constants based on their ordinal value. Enum toString. The toString method returns the string representation of the enum constants. Enum name. The name method returns the defined name of an enum constant in string form. The returned value from the name method is final. Enum value of. The value of method takes a string and returns an enum constant having the same string name. Enum values. The values method returns an array of enum type containing all the enum constants. In Java, an enum class may include a constructor like a regular class. These enum constructors are either private or package private. Private constructors are accessible within the class. Package private constructors are accessible within the package. In this example, we have created an enum label. It includes a private enum constructor. The constructor takes a string value as a parameter and assigns value to the variable game level. Since the constructor is private, we cannot access it from outside the class. However, we can use enum constants to call the constructor. In the test enum class, we assigned easy to an enum variable. The constant easy then calls the constructor level with string as an argument. Finally, we called getLevel method using level. In Java, we can get the string representation of enum constants using toString method or the name method. For example, in this example, we have seen the default string representation of an enum constant is the name of the same constant. We can change the default string representation of enum constants by overriding the toString method. For example, in this example, we have created an enum size and we have overridden the toString method for enum constants small and medium. If you like this video, share it with your friends and also don't forget to like.